Welcome back to Meikos shuckaluck. Hope you're all doing great today, like I am. So today should be like number 15, something like that, on trying to eat healthy. 15 or 16, I don't remember which. But anyway, I messed up for 3-4 days, but I'm back on it. So I decided to say, you know what? This is the start over on day one again. So what I got here, see if you guys can see that here, is salad. All the lettuce and stuff's underneath, of course. But you know, it is really hard to try to change the way you eat and to eat healthy. You know what I'm saying? Um, this is a chef salad with turkey and ham, and you got bell peppers in it, croutons, lettuce, cheese, onions, and tomatoes. I think about the only thing that it's actually missing is hard-boiled eggs. But anyways, there you go. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Looks delicious to me. It definitely is good. But I figured since I went off my little life change thing, you know, for that, what, through 4 days or whatever it was, it's only right that I start all over. So back to day one. Money and sure strong, that's for sure. What's the strongest onion you guys have ever had? Did it give you tears when you had it, or what? Got my diet drink here. Even though I went off my diet and everything for them 4 days, I still only ate once a day. And some was healthy, some was not healthy. Ouch. The portion sizes though that I had was ridiculously huge. And I know I shouldn't have done that, but I did. But at least I'm back on it today. What are you guys eating for lunch today? Is it big old chef salad? Is it something that's delicious? What is it? I'd like to know. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this short little video. And thank you for your support, those who support me on what I'm doing and everything like that. I'm doing the best I can. It's a challenge. So, but anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Remember to please like and subscribe. Hit that bell button for notifications. And please share and leave a comment. I'd really appreciate it. Share with everybody. Share with your family, your friends, your boss, your co-workers. Share with anybody you think would like to watch and support me. You know, moral support's always a good thing. Thanks again. I do appreciate it. Love y'all. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.